It is an amazing time to be a business owner. So much opportunity. Opportunities that didn't exist for past generations of struggling businesses, where they were locked out of much of the traditional methods of marketing and growing a business. But these days are gone. Now is the time of digital marketing. Digital marketing is your ticket to business success. Digital marketing can help you attract more customers than you ever would with traditional methods, with less effort and a smaller budget. And that is why so many businesses and solopreneurs are so successful with their online marketing efforts. But how is this possible? Well, digital marketing helps you target people who are most interested in what you have to offer. Plus, it enables you to measure your success on a daily basis. This makes it incredibly powerful for every single user. Digital marketing offers many benefits like improving your conversion rate and the quality of your leads. It also massively increases your competitive advantage and makes you even more competitive, even against the big brands. This is why it is so important for you to understand the importance of digital marketing and embrace it for your business. Let's go over some of these powerful benefits of digital marketing for your small business. Digital marketing lets you focus your efforts on the right people. With traditional media, you had little control over your audience. Yes, you could adjust how often your ads displayed on television or in magazines or on billboards, but you had little control of who actually saw your content. Of course, you did know a little bit about factors such as magazine readership or the demographics for some areas, but mostly it was a shot in the dark. Digital marketing, however, allows specific targeting for your audience and then sending them personalized, high-quality advertising. You can even use your ad data to then retarget the audience for an even greater impact. This means that it's easier for you to attract customers, and it is one of the reasons that digital marketing is so effective even for the smallest of businesses. Digital marketing makes finding and selling to your target audience easier than ever before. You can engage at every stage of the customer journey. Knowing the customer journey for your audience is helpful for all of your marketing campaigns. And with so much of the purchasing journey happening online, you need to show up where your customers are at. And with product searches and online reviews and social media platforms right in the palm of consumers' hands, it's essential that you are online and pulling up on mobile phones and mobile devices so that you are right there where all the action is happening. Digital marketing channels allow you to interact with your target audience at every single stage, from the first introduction to when they're researching and in comparison mode, right on to their purchasing decision. Using social media platforms, search engine marketing, and email automation in your digital marketing strategy, you can be visible to your audience and then assist them in their buying decisions. And today's digital marketing tools make it even easier for you to be right there for your prospective customers. Digital marketing gives you more bang for your buck. Digital marketing is more cost-effective than traditional methods. You can target a specific audience with digital marketing methods which help you save on your marketing costs and really cuts down on your wasted time and effort. Track your results. You can track the results of all of your digital marketing campaigns so that you know what is working and what isn't. And this helps you focus your budget on the most effective strategies. Reach more people with digital marketing. Digital marketing methods allow you to reach a larger target audience easier than traditional channels. It's also a lot more flexible than outbound marketing and print advertising, so you can adjust your campaigns on the fly to get the best results. Easier tools. Digital marketing tools have also come a long way in recent years. They make online marketing accessible to more people. You no longer need crazy technical skills or stacks of cash to create a website or a social media campaign or to start content marketing. Today's tools make it really easy, effective, and totally affordable. The fall of traditional methods? Most importantly, traditional marketing methods are becoming less and less effective as people become more resistant to the old school advertising techniques that waste precious time and marketing dollars. Digital marketing tactics are both more effective and more affordable to reach your ideal customers. And really, the affordability of digital marketing cannot be overlooked by any small business owner. And yes, there are paid advertising options online, but it is amazing what you can do organically and for free. So regardless of your budget, digital marketing is a must for your marketing strategy. Digital marketing is measurable. Digital marketing provides a holistic overview of all of the metrics that matter to your business. This is a huge advantage. Despite traditional forms of advertising being useful, in many ways, its largest limitations were always a lack of accurate, quantifiable results. With digital advertising, you get the capability of showing real-time, accurate outcomes, unlike most of these offline marketing campaigns. If you've ever placed an advertisement in a newspaper locally, you'll realize how difficult this is. But when you actually know your ROI and your cost per customer, you are in control of your business growth. And digital marketing does just that. Using built-in metrics on social media channels, you can see which posts are working the best, who your most engaged audience members are, and even what the best time to post is. And with free tools like Google Analytics, you can see how many people came to your website, how many pages they visited, and what actions they took. And for every dollar in paid advertising campaigns, you can see directly how many leads were generated or even how many sales were made. And you cannot get this kind of precision metrics with traditional marketing. No print ad will tell you how many sales they directly brought in, and no billboard will tell you how many new leads you got. Knowing your return on investment is one of the best parts of digital marketing strategy. Amazing, right? Digital marketing lets you know what's working and adapt. With traditional marketing, it can take you days or even weeks to know if one of your marketing tactics is even working. And by then, you could have blown through stacks of cash for nothing. Digital marketing makes it easy to see what's working and what's not pretty darn quickly, like within hours. Digital marketing allows you to know how many people viewed your website pages, your paid ads, your social media posts, your online content, your videos. You get instant, accurate data to make decisions on where to focus more or less of your time, effort, and money. Is your video generating more leads than your digital ads? Is your website traffic coming from search engines or from your social media? With digital marketing techniques, you actually know these answers. This allows you to make crucial decisions on the fly. And since most of digital marketing is pretty hands-on, you don't have to stick with a contract that is doing nothing for you. You get to control the ad spend, the ad creative, and the schedule of all of it. Ad not generating leads? Turn it off. Your marketing messaging off? Change it instantly. Is one ad doing better than expected? Scale it in the blink of an eye. The flexibility of digital marketing relieves so much anxiety around marketing your business. You can test, you can change, you can start, you can stop. Like, you have so much freedom, and that is pretty darn amazing. Digital marketing lets you improve content performance and your lead gen. Imagine you made a product brochure and you distributed it via snail mail with the intent to increase your brand awareness and get more sales. That brochure can definitely turn your browsers into buyers. The problem is, you don't know whether someone actually opened the brochure or if they put it right in the trash. This is one of the biggest drawbacks to traditional advertising. But take that same brochure and work it into your digital strategy, add it to your website for your audience online, and you will know exactly how many people visited that page, how many people downloaded the file, and how long they even interacted and stayed on the page. Want to have even more reach for free? Add it to your social media for a cost-effective way to get more eyes on your content. And you'll know how well it does. You'll have real data. And then when you pair this knowledge with your lead generation strategies, you can automate qualified leads for your business on autopilot. Digital marketing helps you compete with bigger brands. As a small business, you have to compete with the biggest companies that have millions of dollars, millions and millions, to invest in advertising campaigns nationwide. How are you supposed to gain traction against these big guys? In many instances, digital marketing has an excellent chance of surpassing even big companies, even for us little guys. For an example, a relevant keyword can be identified, and then you can create qualified material that helps you rank for it in search engines. And you can find keywords that your buyers are actually even looking for. And the key here is, Google doesn't care which brands are the biggest. Instead, search engines prioritize content that searchers want. Your social media presence, your content marketing efforts, and your digital strategy can compete with every single brand out there, regardless of your size. Paired with the affordability of digital marketing and so many big brands still reluctant to really go all in on digital channels, this gives you an amazing opportunity right now. Now is unlike any other time in history for small business. The opportunity for you to get in front of more people than you ever have before, many times for free, is something I would hate for you to miss out on. And all of this digital marketing, it really isn't that difficult to start. It doesn't take a lot of skill to start on social media or with content marketing. You don't need to be a fancy digital marketer or have a digital marketing degree to show up on organic searches on Google. You don't need exclusive, expensive software to generate leads or build brand loyalty. You have the same tools and the same opportunities to set yourself up online, your social media accounts, distribute content as everyone else. There is no barrier to entry like there used to be. You can do it all. So let's get started with your digital marketing for your business. What are you waiting for? Now is the time. Now is your time. It's time to level the playing field, focus your money and your effort on the right people at the right time. Double down on strategies that you know are working and really get the most bang for your marketing buck, all by embracing digital marketing strategies for your business. Don't get left behind or pass up this opportunity. And if you need a little digital marketing help, my digital marketing videos, articles, and resources can help you understand and get started with some of the online marketing strategies like social media marketing, email marketing, search engine optimization, content marketing, and more. It's a great place to dip your toes into the digital marketing pool. And when you're ready to get more step-by-step online marketing tactics, a full digital marketing strategy, and the support that you need to make it all work together, the Smart Arsenal is where your ideas can be turned into results, regardless of your skill level. I would love to have you join other small business owners like yourself taking advantage of this magical time in small business marketing in the Smart Arsenal. Let me be your digital marketing coach. Let me show you how you can market your business online with ease. Because you don't need crazy tech skills, fork loads of cash, or a dedicated staff to market your business. In fact, you don't even need a lot of time. What you need is to be smart.